Hey everyone! Today, I'm checking out one of the most surprisingly capable little smart speakers I've had the pleasure of using, the Amazon Echo Pop. And I've got it in this beautiful lavender bloom color. It's the smallest Alexa speaker in the Echo lineup. But don't let that fool you. This compact device seriously delivers. Right out of the box, setup couldn't have been easier. You plug it in, open the Alexa app, follow a couple of simple steps, and you're ready to go. It's one of those plug-and-play experiences that just works. No hassle, no confusion. And once it's up and running, it stays solid. Great connectivity and no lag. Now let's talk sound. For such a small speaker, the front-firing audio is surprisingly rich. Whether I'm playing music while cooking, listening to a podcast, or streaming an audiobook, the Echo Pop fills the space with clear, balanced sound. It's definitely ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, basically any small space where you want big functionality without taking up much room. And of course, it comes with Alexa built-in, which means hands-free control for everything. I can ask for the weather, set timers, control my smart lights, check the news, or even just ask for a joke when I need a laugh. It's quick, responsive, and incredibly helpful throughout the day. One of my favorite features is how seamlessly it connects to other smart devices. I've got mine paired with a smart bulb and some plugs, and now I just walk in and say, "Alexa, turn on the lights," and it all happens instantly. The integration is smooth, and managing everything through the Alexa app is super intuitive. Design-wise, it's a win. The Echo Pop has a clean, minimalist look that blends into any space without shouting for attention. And the lavender bloom color, it adds just the right pop of personality. It's sleek, it's subtle, and it fits anywhere from a bookshelf to a nightstand. Privacy is also well handled here. There's a mic-off button right on the device, and Alexa only starts listening when you say the wake word, indicated by the light bar. It's designed with transparency and user control in mind, and that's something I always appreciate in smart home tech. Another bonus is the device's focus on sustainability. It's made using recycled materials, supports energy-saving features, and comes in recyclable packaging. It's a small but meaningful touch that adds value to the overall product. Bottom line, the Echo Pop is compact, stylish, easy to use, and packs more features than you'd expect. Whether you're just starting out with smart home devices or you're adding to an existing setup, this one fits right in. I've got a few of them around the house now, and honestly, I couldn't imagine daily life without it. If you're looking for a reliable smart speaker that's friendly, functional, and looks great doing it, this is a fantastic choice. I'm giving it a full 5 stars.